Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the benchmark test of 3 times continuously between the OnePlus Nord 3 versus OnePlus 11R Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor versus Dimensity 9000 processor, and we'll try to see how is the overall stability going on between these both phones and how will be the performance results and how much battery will be draining. All those details we'll try to discuss in this video, comparing both phones side by side. And right now both phones I'm trying to use with the high performance mode, as you can see friends. So high performance mode is turned on at this moment between these two devices, and both phones are completely charged to 100% also in this device. As you can see, both phones are at exactly 100%. So let's get started with this benchmark test comparison between these both devices. So right now the test has been started successfully between these both phones. So OnePlus 11R versus OnePlus Nord 3, and now again I'll be back after some time again to check the overall temperatures, how it's increasing for every test as well. So we'll try to see test 1, test 2 as well, all the details regarding the temperature. So for every test I'll try to take the screenshot and I'll be back after some time. So this is the test 1 results what we got exactly at this moment, and let me take the screenshot. So right now the screenshot I have taken, and the maximum temperature 36 degrees, the Dimensity 9000 processor did increase slightly higher regarding the temperatures. So let's do the test for second time and we'll try to see how is overall temperatures going on between these both phones. Battery dropout to 97% and still maintaining 100% in the OnePlus 11R device. That's pretty good. So that's what I did observe regarding the OnePlus 11R. Slightly battery is not draining much. So right now we're getting close to the second test, and this is how the temperature is between these both phones. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor is maintaining slightly low temperatures, 35 degrees Celsius, and Dimensity 9000 processor is maintaining about 42 degrees Celsius. So these are the quick temperature comparison. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and the Dimensity 9000. And I will be back after the end of the test 2, and then we'll try to take the screenshot. So fine friends, this is round 2 of testing regarding the screenshot. Let me to take the screenshots, and you can see the Dimensity 9000 processor slightly decreased regarding the benchmark scores, but the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor was able to maintain pretty good consistent performance. And you can see the temperature is 42 degrees versus 34 degrees Celsius. And right now the battery is at 92% in the OnePlus Nord 3 and 96% in this OnePlus 11R device. So let's do the third test of benchmark test comparison between these both phones. So this is a round 3 of benchmark test between these both phones, and the test 3 started with the high temperatures between these both phones, because the Dimensity 9000 started with the 41 degrees Celsius, sorry, and the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, the benchmark started with the 34 degrees Celsius. So both of them, they started with the high temperatures of the benchmark test. This also will impact the benchmark scores most of the time. So let's see friends, with the third time which phone will be maintaining what kind of consistency levels, and what will be the overall expectations on this processor of the Dimensity 9000. So is it like stable performance, can you expect or not for long hours? So all those details we'll try to discuss in this video, and I will be back after 3 rounds of benchmark test, and then we'll try to compare scores between these both phones. So I will be back after some time. So right now this is a test 3 of testing. Right now as you can see, these are the benchmark scores between these both phones, and the Dimensity 9000 processor is slightly lower than the OnePlus 11R, and high temperatures of 45 degrees Celsius versus 37.9 degrees Celsius, as you can see clearly here. So finally friends, after 3 times of continuously doing the benchmark test, these are the third round of benchmark test results, and this is the second round of benchmark test, and this is the first round of benchmark test. If we try to observe one thing, in the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, the benchmark scores in the first round is 10,66,000, 10,83,000, 10,75,000. So it's around like decreasing and increasing kind of benchmark scores in this device, but overall if you try to compare to the first round to the third round, it's slightly more. So in case of this OnePlus Nord 3 in the Dimensity 9000 processor, first round, second round slightly decreased, and third round also decreased. And look at the temperatures from first round to third round: 30 degrees and 36 degrees, 34 degrees and 42 degrees, 37 degrees and 45 degrees. So overall there's a difference of close to 5 to 7 degrees difference is there. That's a huge difference, I would say, regarding the temperatures. So anywhere close to 1 to 2 degrees or maybe 3 degrees, that's okay, but this much huge difference, that's something you should know about the Dimensity 9000 processor as well. And next time I'll try to definitely do the 5 times of benchmark test comparison in the next upcoming videos. Until then, stay tuned for more updates friends. Thank you for watching, and signing off, and bye.